Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know, that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 2. Our subject is SST, and in SST, today we will start history. So, as you all have seen, that today we have started chapter 3 in history. Topic of the chapter is in the earliest cities. So the explanation of the chapter I have already provided you in your WhatsApp group through YouTube links, and I hope you all have seen those videos and you all have understood the chapter well. Now let's see today's worksheet 7. In today's worksheet I will explain you keywords related to chapter 3 only. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 9 July 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention chapter 3 in your copies. You have to mention the topic also, that is in the earliest cities. Now let's see the keywords. First keyword is citadel. It means the ancient cities were divided into two or more parts which are known as citadel. So in ancient times, the cities were divided into parts. The parts can be two or more than two, and those parts are known as citadel. Second keyword is specialist. It means a specialist is a person who is trained to do only one kind of work. So when a person used to do same kind of work for a long time, he becomes trained in that work, and that time he is called a specialist. Third keyword is scribe. It means people who knew how to write were known as scribe. So in ancient time, the people who knew how to write, they were known as scribe. Fourth keyword is raw material. It means the substances that are either found naturally or produced by farmers and herders are known as raw material. So the substances, those are found naturally on the earth or produced by the farmers and herders, they are known as raw material. Fifth keyword is irrigation. It means the supply of water to the plants for growing is known as irrigation. So what happens when the farmers supply water to the plants, this process is known as irrigation. Sixth keyword is seals. It means seals were used to stamp bags or packets containing good that was sent from one place to another. So the packets and bags were sent from one place to another. On that a stamp used to put, and that is known as seals. So these were the keywords which I have explained you. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.